Hi everyone. Today I intend to start with introduction of foundations of digital marketing. My name is Mr. Isa Akarume. I'm a digital marketing instructor and also a digital marketing expert. I'm a digital marketing expert in the sense that this is my 7 year in the digital marketing field. I've worked with brands home and abroad. So I'm a digital marketing expert and I intend to teach you whatever you need to excel when it comes to digital marketing, both locally and internationally. I intend to give international standard of digital marketing, so you'll be able to perform better. Um, I have other tools which I'll introduce you to, like free tools, and also some digital marketing template which I have created for you. Um, Please don't hesitate to reach out for those templates. Let's begin. So, in this Foundations in Digital Marketing course, I intend to introduce marketing students to easy steps and practicals on how to understand and do digital marketing with ease. So it will make it. I want to make it easy for everyone to be able to do digital marketing with this. This is the content outline. This is a introduction is what we're going to do today. Introduction to digital marketing, and then we will do the digital marketing strategy, which has the introduction is the part where I introduce you to all of this, which is today. I'm going to give you simple introduction to all of this. I'm also going to explain what all these are all about. Digital marketing strategy is where you come up with a strategy for your digital marketing plan. The content marketing is where you learn how to create content for your audience, to engage your audience. But I will focus on blogging. Content marketing is a broad. Still, creating a video for social media is content marketing. Creating a video for YouTube is content marketing. A vlog is content marketing. Social media post is content marketing. Social media video is content marketing. Infographic is content marketing. So anything you can create for an audience in order for you to be able to draw the audience, retain them, and then convert them, make them become your customer. So it's content marketing. But I'll focus on blogging because blogging is one aspect of digital marketing where a digital marketer can just focus on. You can decide to be a blogger. There are so many bloggers that are doing well online. Then after that, I'll teach you how to do content SEO. This is the part where you will make your content on your blog appear on search engines. If you don't do this, this content might not appear on search engines. And even if they appear, they will not be in a better position. I will show you examples and I'll teach you all this. Then I'll teach you the web analytics where you understand your website visitors. This is where I'll teach you how to understand your website visitors, how they came to your website, what they did on your website, and how they left. Then also I will teach you how to use the webmaster tools. The webmaster tools will basically focus on how to improve your blog content. That is what the webmaster tools is for, to improve your blog content, your content marketing on your blog. So once you're done with your SEO, you need to work with the webmaster tools. You need this. Some digital marketers don't use this, but it is good. I'll teach you how to do this. Then I'll teach you search engine optimization, which is good for every website. Once you have a website, you do search engine optimization for the website in order for the website to appear on search engines and also rank on search engines. Very important. You want to increase the performance of the website so that you will get traffic from search engines. As we move on, I'm going to introduce you to what search engine is. Some people don't know what search engine is. Google is a search engine. I think Google is popular 92% worldwide, approximately 92 to 93% worldwide use Google as a search engine. So Google is a very good search engine, it's the best. Apart from the fact that you can get information from Google, it is user friendly. It's it's well developed, and they are still working on it. So I'll teach you how to be able to appear on Google search with your blog content, and I will teach you the search engine marketing where you'll be able to promote your website or your products and services from your website on search engines. You can do that. So this is the part that has to do with this one has to do with money. This is free. It does do SEO and it shows up. But this one you pay money for promotion, it then becomes an advert and it shows. Then I'll teach you how to create a Google business page. Every business needs a Google business page. Then I'll teach you video advertising, which has to do with YouTube adverts. So you must have watched so many videos on YouTube where you will see adverts, skippable and unskippable adverts. I'll teach you how to do this, how to promote products and services on YouTube. Then I'll teach you app promotion. The app promotion I'll teach you, I'm going to use it will be possible for you to promote an app both on Play Store and Apple Store. Then I'll teach you lead generation. The lead generation is basically for you to be able to get the personal information of your potential customers. Because lead generation is you to be able to get information of those people that are interested in your brand. You must have visited some blog where you have to subscribe. Then you put your email, your username, your email, your first name and your second name and your age. And sometimes you see some survey, you see some webinar where you have to register. Those are part of lead generation. Sometimes you register to buy some things online, you drop your personal information. That is lead generation. I'll teach you. Here is where I'll teach you how to create a Google form, which is free, and I also teach you how to create a landing page. Then I'll teach you social media marketing, which has to do with you promoting on social media. I'll teach you social media strategy because you need to have a strategy in order for you to promote on social media. Then I will teach you social media management, where you will learn how to manage a social media account. Then I'll teach you social media post automation, where you can automate a post. Let's say you are to manage like 5 to 10 social media accounts based on contract basis. You can be able to manage them with social media automation. You will schedule the post. When you're chatting with Mr. Isa or you're on your course, you're learning, the post will publish immediately at any time you want them to publish. So you can schedule your posts. They can publish at any time while you are busy doing other things. And it is used for simplifying the social media work. Then also I'll teach you social media analytics. Remember I told you that the web analytics is for you to understand your audience on your website, how they came, what they did and how they left. Social media analytics is also for you to understand your audience on your page. For you to know what when they came to the page, when they become followers, their age, their gender, their location, and whatever they are doing on your page. Plus, also I'll teach you a part of social media analytics that has to do with advert analytics. You need to understand the advert. In the sense that you need to understand what potential customer do when they see your advert. If they click, if they and you also need to understand what those your potential customers that engage with your advert. Engagement has to do with interacting with your advert, like liking, sharing, commenting. So basically, you will know what they did when they came across your advert. You will know the age, the location, and whatever. Then apart from that, you also know I also teach you email marketing, where you will learn how to send emails to customer and potential customers. But basically, we'll focus on subscribers, that is the customers, how to send out emails via a tool called Mailchimp. Mailchimp is what I'll introduce you to. Then I'll introduce it. Then we'll do the affiliate marketing, where you will sell products and services for brands in the UK, for brands that are into travel and tours. Basically, when you do this, you get paid in commission. So affiliate marketing is you selling products and services for companies. Then when you sell, they pay you in commission. So let's move on to the full course outline. You can read this, the ebook. This is basically all about me and the book and what the book is all about. Um, let's move on to the introduction. To digital marketing. So in this module, I'm going to introduce you to the course, like what I told you, outline to help you understand the course in the foundation of digital marketing course. I will be focusing on content marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, search engine optimization, and search engine marketing. That doesn't mean what I'm trying to say is that this is what we focus on because to me they are the fundamental building blocks of digital marketing. Whatever part of digital marketing we touch on this course has to do with all of these courses. So even if we have to do with hashtag fall into the social media. If we do content SEO, it fall into search engine optimization. If we do email marketing is here. If we do site promotion is here. So basically anything you do digital marketing fall into. If we do the webmaster too, it falls into here. Analytics is still part of this, part of this, part of this, part of this. So whatever we're going to do will fall into any of these part of the courses. So all topics on the course outline are related to the listed digital marketing fundamental building blocks. I will define, explain, plus show you some examples of listed foundations of digital marketing courses. I've decided to arrange the course outline the way it will be easier for beginners and experts to learn digital marketing with ease. So I want you to be able to learn digital marketing with ease. So the next is that after learning, after you're done learning, upon successful completion of this course, learners will be capable of what describing the fundamentals of digital marketing and the rules that govern an effective online strategy. So you'll be able to explain, you'll be able to differentiate between all digital marketing branches, and also you will know the rules. Example, you know that you know that if you are using somebody image or your blog, you need to be able to cite the image. You need to be able to reference the person. So I'll teach you this for copyright issue. If you are publishing a video on YouTube, you need to be able to know what it is to follow copyright, to follow the right procedure in order not to be part of those people that will be flagged for copyright infringement. Then I also teach you so many things you need to know about social media so that you can come up with a social media and data marketing so that you can come up with an online strategy that is better and more effective. We also examine and construct. You also know how to examine and construct new digital marketing channels with established marketing channels. So if you are using Facebook today and tomorrow a new social media platform popped up, you'll be able to differentiate between both, and you'll be able to know how to work with both, because basically all social media platform, no matter what, no matter the fact that their interface are different, the truth is that the functionality are the same in a way. Creating advert is easy. If you know how to create Facebook advert, it becomes easier for you to create TikTok, Snapchat, and Instagram, Twitter. So that's just the truth. Then you'll be able to determine the best digital marketing strategy and channels for various businesses model. So somebody tell you, I want to do a promotion for a luxury, a car that is very expensive. You want to dive into what? Instagram. With this, once you learn this, you know. We want to promote something for family, you dive into Facebook. We want to promote something for executive business-minded people, you dive into what? You dive into LinkedIn. Want to promote something for people that love what is trending, then you dive into Twitter. So with this, once you're done, you'll be able to determine the best digital marketing strategy and channels for various models. Then you'll be able to examine the principles of online marketing and consumer interaction. You know how your consumer interacting. Maybe you have more of people that are between that are not people that are more of not educated on Facebook. You know, maybe you have more of educated people on Twitter. You know, so you need to understand all these things. Then again, you'll be able to differentiate between the various digital channels and online business opportunity they offer. Because every digital marketing platform, every social media platform or digital marketing channels they have their own opportunities they offer. Like on YouTube, you have to do video advert, and on YouTube you can also do display advert, which has to do pictures. Anything display advert is pictures. You can do that on YouTube. And then next, you'll be able to differentiate between digital media examples and traditional media. When I say digital media examples, I mean online advert. When I say traditional media, I mean offline. So online is digital marketing from social media to search engine advert, and then traditional is what the billboard, the radio advert, the TV advert, the lamp post, the advert you see on street light, that is a lamp post, the advert you see on buses, that is traditional media. So anything that is offline, not online, is traditional media. You'll be able to understand this. Then you'll be able to arrange a comprehensive study. You'll be able to come up with something. You'll be able to pitch, and then you'll be able to make distinction among benchmark types. You know what you if you are targeting if you are achieving if you are achieving if your achievement is exceeding the normal, you know. If you are below the normal, you know, then you'll be able to make a SWOT analysis. The SWOT evaluation is what you would be able to what do for any company, for that company to be able to improve. You'll be able to understand the strength, the weakness, the opportunity, and the threat of any company or any social media, any company that has a social media account. So I'll give you the template for a company itself, then I'll give you that of a social media account. So you'll be able to do this and come up with better strategy to improve the business itself. Then you'll be able to create a standard for your brand. You create a standard, a good standard for a brand. You'll be able to do more branding. I'll teach you all this. I'll show you some examples when we go that deep into the introduction. Then you'll be able to determine your target market and create personas for them. So when I mean target market, you know the platform you want to promote on. You know the platform you want to do digital marketing on. And when I say create personas, I mean you'll be able to come up with a fictional representation of your target audience. What do I mean? You can sit down and say, if I want to sell female shoe, what is my fictional representation of my target audience? Number one, female, that is the gender. Number two, the age range. Number three, the location. You need to have a location. Number four, the age range, the location, the gender. I think that is better. And apart from that, the interest. People that are interested in shoes, because shoe is what you want to sell. That is what is called create a personal. So you're able to do that. Then I'll help you to understand how to make marketing funnels in the sense that you'll be able to know how people purchase from you, how they convert, how they become customers. You need to understand that. You create an advert, somebody sees the advert, they click on it on social media, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Twitter, then they order, or they saw the advert, then they walk down to the store to shop. So you need to understand all this process. Then you also understand the customer journey, which is a part of this, the customer journey, how the customer end up on purchasing. But you understand what the customer are doing, how they purchase in time. Some people prefer to make phone calls. Sometimes when I shop online, I prefer to make phone calls. I just try to shop with my card because I know my card is not going to work. And at the end, the company will give me a call. There are certain companies that do that. So basically, there are certain companies that do that in my country, Nigeria. There's one I'm very proud of. If I try to shop online and I don't shop, they give me a call. That's retargeting. They get back to you ASAP. Then you understand it. Then on the next, you'll be able to write a brand narrative for any brand, and then you'll be able to perform better as a digital marketing. This is the first part of the introduction. Then we'll move on to the next, where I will talk on all of this, and I'll give you an example of all the digital marketing courses. Thank you. Let's move on to the next.